Hey.
Hi. How's
Hi.
everything? We're,
So, are you
we're,
vlogging?
I'm vlogging. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm vlogging. Yeah.
And I'm working. Busy. Busy bee.
Busy.
Yeah.
How's
It's
everything there?
like a Saturday. Busy Saturday. Lots of laundry.
Yeah.
Sophia's back from residential, so lots of things to do.
She's back
Yeah.
from trips. 3 days trip.
Yeah.
Where is she?
Here.
Hi, guys.
Hey. Okay, tell me how was your trip?
It was amazing. But basically we did this thing that we went, it was like dark. It was 11 o'clock in the night and there was no lights. We went to the woods all by ourselves, like one person at a time in the woods. And basically there were lights and you had to find them.
Yeah.
It was so scary. The teacher was scaring us. She recorded a screaming sound and she started playing it. And then I was so scared because I heard some random screaming in the woods. But I realized it
Really?
was a teacher. When the teacher was laughing, she said that I didn't reach the last light because I reached it, but I didn't go to it because there's supposed to be a letter in the lights, but I was too scared to go. So I started screaming and I ran back.
So where did you sleep?
In the room, I was with Chantal, Kaya, and Vicky.
So it's not in the tent. It's not outside.
No, it's like a residential.
All right. Okay. So how's the food?
Yeah, we had a buffet in the morning.
Buffet. How about lunch?
Lunch was just like normal. We had normal Czech food.
Okay. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was nice.
Wow. I heard that they confiscated the phones.
Because it was part of our task. Basically, we were on the phones, and then we had these tasks that we had to do all over, and they made the task that we had to make it without our phones the whole day. And the time that they gave our phones back was after they scared us in the woods.
Wow. All right. Okay.
That
So
was
how
like
many
12.
how many students all in all
Everybody 18.
in your class only?
Yeah, and at that we went to the tallest hiking place in Czech Republic, Praděd. Yeah, we were there in the winter time, and then we went there as well.
Wow. Okay. So at least you enjoyed it. So welcome back home. Yeah.
And we can go some. Like, when are we going to England or when again?
Oh, actually, you know what? I found out that the 8th, when you're arriving, it's a bank holiday here. So we're gonna book the tickets and we're gonna meet you in Prague. What do you think?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I wanna go.
So we meet you in the train station
And then
because we arrive 9 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
maybe
his luggages.
no, we're not gonna have our luggages, but Tata will have a luggage, so you're gonna put it in a train station.
Are we not staying in the hotel for one night?
No, I need to be back at work on Friday, and Fridays are crucial. If that would be Saturday, so Monday I can take it off. Mondays are easy. Monday, Tuesdays are okay, but the Fridays are busy.
All right. Okay. Yeah. It's
Okay,
okay.
so
Yeah.
just tell me if you want or not.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We'll talk about
We
that
can have a
because I
we can
thought
have
like
a
we
nice.
could stay in the hotel for one night.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. All right. If not, so that's fine. So we're gonna wait for you at home.
Are we going to London? I mean Manchester.
Yeah, we need to plan it when you come back. We will plan it.
Yeah. I have how many days left? Yay! I'm coming home, Pinkai. I miss you, baby. I miss you,
7, 8,
darling.
9, 30. Miss you too. So how many more days?
So today is. I don't know what day is it today.
Today is 26. So 27, 28, 29, 30. Is it April 30 or 31?
31, I think. Yeah, 30, I don't know.
No, 30 only.
So 4 plus 7, so 11 days. Woo!
Mhm.
And you're excited to come back?
Yeah, of course I am. Yeah. Are we going to? Where are we going? Just
Yeah, we
in.
can have some trips because it's a nice weather. So
Where? And Prague?
no, we don't need to go to Prague. We can go here around. There is a lots of beautiful places around.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, everybody
time?
is preparing for bed. Preparing
What's
to
the
bed
time
now.
there?
It's 8, quarter past 8. Yeah, it's dark now. You know, people here sleep very early.
Yeah, because the dark is very early, 6 o'clock, and it's dark in Philippines.
Yeah, and but we wake up usually 4 o'clock in the morning. So yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to bed now. So do
Okay.
you do the general cleaning?
General cleaning, yeah. And we stopped doing garden, so I'm waiting for you for your
Yeah,
muscles.
yeah, of course. Okay,
Yeah.
darling. All right.
Okay. Good night.
Say good night. Yeah.
Good night.
Bye. Say bye to everybody.
Bye. Yeah, I will. See you
Bye.
tomorrow, yeah?
Bye. Love you.
Love you, love you. Bye.
Wow! Birthday ni Rachel! Mamaya na ang kantahan. Check ko lang kung anong inihanda niya sa atin. Ito, shrimps with corn. And then, anong luto to, Shell?
Igado.
Igado. Ito, escabeche? Fish escabeche. Yan, birthday ngayon ng aking pamangkin. Pamangkin ko yan. Ito pa. Adobong manok. Paa, leeg, assorted adobo. Nakakatakam. Yan. Wala pa yung bisita mo, Shell? Sino mga bisita mo, Shell? May inimbitahan ka? Family only. Family. So, wala pa sila. Hayaan mo. Pag maamoy na nila yon, darating na ng mga yon. Ito sa amin, automatic. Pag alam nilang nag-prepare ka ng food, no need for invitation, they're coming. So, ang oras, mag-alas 6 na ata ng gabi. So, maghapon na lang kami. At, yun, birthday ni Rachel. Alright, Klong, anong wish mo kay mamang mo?
Good health.
Good health. Ikaw, Kali? Good health as well? Okay, good health para kay mamang nyo. Oh. Ano pa? No more? Maliit lang yung allowance. Yun, may nag-donate. Ano yung dinonate nyo? Dili ka lang, Bon. Stay. Ano tong dinonate nila sa birthday ni Rachel?
Bupis.
Bupis!
Pinangkaan.
Linangka. Ay, grabe na to. Ito kayo Huwag kayong malis. Dito tayo naghapunan. Nag-donate kayo, dito tayo kakain. Hindi ka mo? Ha? Okay, nag-donate. Dali ka, Pan. Pan, dali ka. Dito ka. Tayo natin si mama mo at papa mo. Ha? O, kuya niya, andun sa kwarto. So, ito yung tagakain ni Rachel. Ito yung mga tagakain ni Rachel. Wala pa yung iba. Tingnan natin. Handa talaga itong table, pero yung mga ibang tagakain wala pa rito. Ito. Ito yung baboy with langka. Ito yung bupis. Okay. Adobo. Ano bang uunahin kong kakainin dito? Bahala na. Basta importante, matikman ko isa-isa mamaya. Alam niyo naman, ako, pagkainan na, nangunguna talaga ako. Ang lahat ng mga taga-kain, inibitahan ko na para magmadali rito, para maka-start na kami kumain. Pero hanggang ngayon, wala pa sila rito. So, ito. Ito talaga. Mula pa sa Davao City to, nag-travel pa to ng 7 hours para lang kumain ngayon. O, yan.
Yes, shrimp. Or the shrimp na apas.
Yun. Wala pa yung isa. So, ang aming pastor, wala pa rito. Wala pa yung mag-pray. Wala. Paugat pa rin. Okay. Ayan natin. Pasaan, darating din mga yon. Ay, ka. Dumay na ang ating kwan ngayon ang ating bida na sa kwentuhan Yan. Tara. Ito, mukhang mahina ang tagakain natin ngayon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tayo, ang buhok mo tayo parang si Kwante ba? Si Alfredo Lim. Yan. Kung tingnan natin, pakinggan natin celebrant. Ano? May nintay ka pang bisita? Ha?
Shopee wala ba?
Shopee? Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday, Rachel. Klong-klong at saka Kali, special number. Happy birthday na. Kanta na. Ano klase? 1, 2, 3. Nga. Happy birthday. Yay! Okay na kayo. Okay na, kayo na. Alam mo yung bakwan ngayon to, kahit walang cake. Walang cake, walang pansit. Basta importante, may adobo. Kayo na kayo. Siyam. Adobo na manok, scabeche, igado, shrimps, tinula, at baboy na may langka. Yon. Kaya na, Bonbon. Bonbon. Una muna ya. Muna ginatudlo ko pag may kaon una dayon bon. Hindi ka palugi. Kan anyo lang Kan anyo para. Nga Marge. Okay na. Anton, hinanap ka ni Sophia. Kakausap lang namin kay Sophia.
Yeah, hello.
Kakausap lang namin. Just shout out kay Sophia. Wala ka rito nung kinausap namin si Sophia. Happy birthday. Kainan na. Yan. March kayo na. Atak na. Ito ang cook. Si Chris kayo ang cook. Kasama si Rachel. Silang dalawang mag-asawa ang cook ng kanilang sariling celebration. So we just come and eat. Eat and run. Ano siya yung maminda? Kaya may kapangampay. Palaging may nagtatanong sa iyo, Day, eh. Oh.
Wow. Single?
Single. Oh, kain. Oh. Asan si Kan mo? Gian, pasok na kayo. Kain na kayo. Oh, mabata. Hindi pa kumain? Yan. Gian, kain na kayo, Gian. Kasi papa mo, mama mo. Kain na ka mo, John. Kain na. Ha? Ako na, pagdating ko, kumain na ako kagad. Ha? Kain na. O, sige. Masarap yan, masarap. Lahat masarap. Oh. Ito yung mga import natin sa kainan. Yan, ito import to. Yan, import sa kainan.
Ginauna ko na yung mga bisita.
Nauna mo na, ako kana mo. Oh, tama. Ako inauna ko muna yung mga bisita, oh. Ako okay lang ako, pa video lang ako. Oh. Tay. Kain na. Ano, John?
Lugay ka pa to? Gusto mo yan pagkani? Isot na naman kusina sa ano? Balok sa ano? Sel!
Tinola, baboy. Ano bang kakainin ko rito? Anong unahin ko?
Lager lang yun. Mapulis lang.
Higado. Bing! Ayun na!
Ano yung mga langga?
Ito, cowboy to lahat, cowboy. Yan. Kain lang. Birthday to. Basta birthday, kain lang. Escabeche, higado. Adobo siguro, adobo. Yan. Ha. Ano? Si nanonood yung si Kwan Clark. Si Ash. Oh. Tapos may buko. May ano yan? Macaroni salad.
Sarap rin. Yung iba hindi pa dumating.
Yung iba hindi pa dumating. Sige lang. Darating din mga yon. Yon.
Anong problema ta sabi? Ha? Anong problema ta?
Kain. Oh, grabe, magnet ko. Ah, sikreto lang, oh, tirada. Oh. Sikretong red. Oh. Oh, bantot. Hugas ng pinggan. Ito, masarap to. Ito ba? Ayan ko, ito. Macaroni, salad. Shrimps. Bupis, tsaka adobo. Ano? So ito, panguli, dessert. So kumain na ako ng buko salad at saka ito, macaroni. Masarap yung macaroni kasi hindi tinipid ni Rachel. Sarap, Shell. Salamat. Masarap yung macaroni salad. Si Titong Bunal, oh. Aha.
Dalawang hirit na.
Dalang ngirit na.
Dalawang hirit na to. Basta buko. Ito yung paborito ko, buko.
Yan.
Kahit na walang boses, kahit pa rin. Kahit pa rin.
Ito yung bunso namin. Oh. Bira. Yan. Marjon, pamangkin ko. Yan, yung celebrant, pamangkin ko. Ito si Christian, husband ni Rachel. Silang cook. Silang cook. Sila din ang magugas ng plato. Ayos. Oh. Yan. Oh, tapos na. Tapos na ang kumain. Oh. Pahinga na. Pahinga na. Wala pa? Hindi pa tapos ang kainan? Ah, grabe. 1 hour after, ganito, no? Ito talaga, oh. Ang taga Davao City. Talagang import po to namin sa kainan. Oh, ito pala, pamangkin ko, si Kobe, walang boyfriend yan. Oh. Oh, kaway. Oh, walang boyfriend. Ito si Ma'am Inday. Walang boyfriend. Oh, naghanap ng asawa niyan. Hindi na boyfriend nahanap niyan. Asawa yung hinahanap niyan. Oh.
Huwag na.
Oh.
Hindi kayo maharapin.
Dapat na siya na ano. Masyado magastos. Dapat na siya na ano, di ba? Sabi ko na sa
Oh.
kwet, dapat na ano.
Hindi ba natin alam sila? Baka meron din. Gasto din.
Oh.
Muyag po ka ng dito yung anak. Baka nandun mga iro. Kahulog ng mata.
Wow, grabe yan. Okay ko.
Ano, sub-Sahara ni.
Escabeche. Escabeche.
Kasi tingin ba? Ikaw tingin nyo, idok ng mata.
Tapos na lahat. Okay. Marge. Okay.